Hey lovely people, welcome back to our channel. I have missed you all so much and I hope you had amazing summer vacation. I too had fun this summer and have created so many custom pieces for our clients. One of them was mathematics project on integer operations, that is a board game. For this, I used a white A3 size sheet and to start with, I drew a margin which I colored or painted orange. This made it look brighter and was also going along the poo and honey theme I had chosen to make this game. The game is simple. I defined a track from start to finish. At start stands the cute Winnie the Pooh, and at finish I placed a honey pot. The track or the path to reach to the honey is not that easy, friends. It has some maths problems which have to be passed by Pooh to reach to honey pot. I called this game Mathematics Dash. The rules of the game are mentioned on the board itself. This is a multiplayer game and the one who solves all maths problems and reaches the honey pot first is the winner. Let me know in the comment section below if you have created any board game before. What was its name? What you would have called the game I made? Please comment below your favorite part of this game. Do you also love Winnie the Pooh? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe now. Keep crafting with AJ.